The storm raged on, wind howling like a wild beast. Streets had turned into rivers, houses swallowed by the flood. But Jake Carter, a former firefighter, wasn't about to let anyone, not even helpless animals, get left behind. Driving his old pickup through the flooded roads, he arrived at a small animal shelter. The barking of terrified dogs echoed from inside. The water was rising fast. With no time to waste, Jake waded through waist-deep water, lifting each shivering dog into his truck. The last one, a tiny beagle, clung to a floating chair, whimpering. Jake plunged into the freezing water, scooped up the pup, and swam back to safety. Drenched and exhausted, he drove to a rescue center. As he opened the truck's door, 13 tails wagged, 13 faces filled with hope. They were safe. That night, a news station covered his story. A true hero, they called him. But Jake just smiled and said, they would have done the same for me.